In this video, we will be discussing editing surfaces, pasting surfaces. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file editing-surfaces-paste-surfaces.dwg located in the training folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. Let's look at the paste surface command, which allows you to paste multiple surfaces into one surface. First, let's look at the Prospector tab to see what we have in our drawing. We have three existing surfaces that we want to combine in one, thereby allowing us to have one combined EG that we can use later on in the project. We'll first create a surface by navigating to the Create Ground Data panel. Surfaces dropdown, click Create Surfaces. We'll call this surface Combined EG, and we'll leave it with the style Contours 1 and 5-foot background. Click OK, and here's our surface. Now normally, you would select the surface in the drawing, and then choose from the contextual ribbon to paste the surface. However, we have no data in the Combined EG surface, so we'll navigate to the Edit operation through the combined surface itself. Make sure you expand Combined EG, expand Definition, right-click on Edits, and choose Paste Surface. When pasting surfaces, it does actually matter the order in which you paste them. Typically what you do is you paste in the larger or the outside type surfaces, and then any surfaces that are inside or overlapping, you paste in afterwards. Note you can always change the order in which the surface will triangulate in the Surface Properties dialog box. We'll go ahead and start with the EG surface as this is the larger one. Go ahead and click OK, and there's the EG surface in our Combined EG. We'll go ahead and right-click on Edits again and choose Paste Surface. And this time we'll add in the detention pond. Click OK, and now we have the detention pond in our surface. Lastly, right-click, choose Paste Surface, and we'll go ahead and click on the Lake Survey Contours surface. Click OK, and now we have that surface in the Combined EG as well. Select it once, the surface is one entity. The great thing, of course, with this workflow is that any changes made to any of the individual surfaces will, of course, automatically update you, telling you the surface is out of date, and you can always set your surface to Rebuild Automatic to have it update automatically. Don't forget, if you do need to remove a surface definition, you can always remove it from here in the Prospector tab by right-clicking and selecting Delete, or you can navigate to the Surface Properties and remove it in the Definition tab.